Yeah, we're just doing maintenance here. I just went and got the oil changed in the old 450. Oil change and filter, $400. That's what it costs. And when we were there, they were looking. They use a license plate to know what to do. There's no more license plate. License plate goes right here. It's gone. The bracket, everything's gone. I don't know. I guess you can see where the bracket broke right there. I got another bracket for it. I'll go look to see where we dump our chips, see if maybe if it's up there. If not, I'll go get a new license plate for it. Number 3 is in. Oil's getting changed. We'll get this one done, then I'll go get another one. We'll bring another one today. There, I got time to do a couple of these. Look at all these filters. That's what you call having a lot of filters. All right, so this one here will be done too. So this truck will be ready. Oil change, everything's done, greased up. Just have to go through inspection. I'll go inspection at the beginning of the month of December. All right, here we are. We're rewiring all the strobe lights. We're having problems with the strobe lights, so my guy's rewiring everything. Ariel's fixing it all up. See, he puts them up here. Puts them in the grill. Here, I'll throw them on. Look, there's a pile of wires there. Look at that. So he's got to work all those wires. You got to know what you're doing. I wouldn't be able to do this, that's for sure. So he's got to go through it all. All right, that's just part of the maintenance that we do this time of the year. All right.